Imagine being able to create a chocolate-rich ganache cake that serves your 78 organs in your body. To be able to put that together, to be able to layer that ganache on, to be able to have that chocolate poured all over it and the berries on top, that skill to be able to produce that. I've created this incredible class where you can slip into these moments with me by your side. I think ramen has this ability to feel like a cuddle from the inside out, and using the right noodles and using the right vegetables and getting that broth on tap without using packets and packets of processed stocks, and being able to make this in a way that ultimately serves your health. In your kitchen from mine, as we go in this dance together of how to create these dishes and using spices and natural sources like vinegar and beautiful oils that come from nature in our pantries, and using them in a wise way and understanding how we can get the levels of acid and sweetness and saltiness in a dish. Food has this ability to be a part of your day-to-day existence, but the recipe has this ability to wake you up, to give you a presence about you, because it's not just the ingredients or the method, it is all-encompassing energy. What happens is when you learn what to do with the ingredients, when you learn how to saute, or when you learn how to boil or fry or stir fry, bake, or just flash bake, there's a type of energy that comes with that. We start to move out of the food trends and out of the diets that are put in front of us all the time, and we start to put food together in such a magnificent way that we're in a space that it serves our ultimate health. Food has the ability to nourish the entire ecosystem of the body. We are taught how to eat and we're not taught how to cook, and that's the pleasure that you're about to experience here. I welcome you into this space, into Wholefoods Kitchen, and I'm going to enjoy your company while you step into your kitchen as I film in from mine to you. Click below to get free access to my Whole Food Kitchen cooking class.